Hi, I'm Will Greenwald, home entertainment analyst at PCMag.com, and it's time to unbox Google Stadia, which is kind of a fascinating idea because it isn't technically a product. It is a service. It's a streaming game platform where you play games from Google's servers. They have computers that run all the games as if they were the game console, and then it streams over the internet to your phone, to your TV, to anything. So it isn't really a single box, it is a collection of different things. But that doesn't mean you can't actually buy Stadia in the form of the Founders Pack, which is right here, which includes the controller, well, a controller you can use for Google Stadia, and a Google Chromecast Ultra. We're going to unbox everything right now. We got the entire reviewer's guide pack collection, which is basically Google sent us a box of stuff that ensures that we have what we need to review Stadia. Like a USB-C to C cable, that's not in the Founders Pack, a controller clip, unbranded, again, not in the Founders Pack, but good to have, useful. I assume it's a controller clip. And a Pixel 3a XL. This is kind of funny because I actually have a Pixel 3a as my personal phone. The camera is great. And this is the Stadia Founders Pack. Founders Edition right here on the box. And one place for all the ways you play, which actually sounds like the premise of Stadia in reverse. It isn't one place for all the ways you play, it's one way for all the places you can play. Because you can do it on your phone, you can do it on a TV, do it in your web browser. You have a bunch of different ways. Here it is, the Google Stadia Founders Pack controller. You can buy the controller on its own, and this one is black with orange. I believe the one that they've been showing off is white. The shape reminds me a lot of, and this is going to sound unfair, the Ouya controller. If you remember the Ouya, it was a little set-top box micro console that had a really terrible controller. This, it kind of looks like the Ouya controller with its like U-shaped profile, but this feels way better than the Ouya, I can tell you that much. Well, for one thing, the D-pad isn't mushy. All the buttons and triggers feel pretty good. The sticks feel nice. Like this feels like a proper, like up there with a DualShock 4 or a Xbox One gamepad. So yeah, this seems like a good controller. But what else is in here? How about a charger for the controller? Makes sense. A wall charger to work the cable. Various cards and codes. Now I'm going to be careful about this because if there are any activation codes, I do not want to share them with the entire internet until I start testing this. This is completely new to me. This is the first time I've opened the box. What else is in here? Oh yes, Google Chromecast Ultra. This is a 4K media streamer. Plug it into the back of your TV, and with your phone you can watch 4K content. It's pretty handy, we like it. It's a little bit overpriced still. It's $60 or $60 or $70, which means it's more expensive than some of the top media hubs we like. But as a window to Google Stadia, this is one of your options. And what else is in the box? How about the combination power brick, and on here, Ethernet adapter. So it plugs into the Chromecast Ultra, and you can also plug into a wired network connection, which, because you want the fastest, highest bandwidth connection to your internet as possible to use Google Stadia, this is pretty useful. Just having it as an option. We're hoping that, dual band 5G Wi-Fi will be enough for Stadia, but we won't know until we actually test it. Anything else under here? I do not believe so. This is the entirety of Stadia. So, take away these little reviewer extras. This is the Founders Pack. Controller, Chromecast Ultra, power brick, power adapter, cable. This is all you need to start with Stadia.